Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today I have a Sony DVP-CX985V that is having some issues, so I am going to attempt to fix it. And I always know that there's something going on with it because as soon as I turn it on, you can basically hear the motor, which is the motor for the carousel, and there's really nothing you can do about it after that. So, and it's always an indication that it is the belt. So I have a feeling that's what it is, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll show you how I do it. Can't turn it off, so I'll just have to unplug it, and then I'll be taking out all the screws. There's 3 in the back, 2 in the sides, so I'll do that now. All right, I've taken out the screws in the back, and it's a matter of lifting this up. Hard to do with one hand. And so now that we've gotten the top off, we'll look at the belt situation, and there's usually 2 belts in the back, and here we are. As suspected, the belts are no longer working properly, so they're kind of stretched out, and that just really needs to get replaced. So I've already got 2 belts because I was already suspecting this. So I've got my 2 belts here and there, and that's what I'm really gonna just change. This isn't as difficult as like the 300 disc CD changer, because on those units you have to pull out the top part of this and unscrew some screws in the back in order to do that. But this one is pretty simple. It's just those 2, and all you need is a pair of needle nose type of tool that you can use to kind of just, grab onto the belt and then pull it out. The ones that when it gets really, really bad is when this starts to get like really gooey and just melting. But this one still looks like it's still good, but you want to be careful when you do pull this out. So when you do this, you kind of want to just try to slide this slowly so it'll still come out as one piece. And this one I could probably do on camera since we're here. There you go. And then let's see here. Oh, that was nice and successful. So there is there's the old belt, and then the other one is over there. I'm gonna have to do this with 2 hands, so stay tuned. All right, here's the second belt, and I was able to put it out in one piece as well. I needed to tilt the player to its side to really help with the gravity pulling the belt down. But anyway, now it's time to again easily just put this back in to that, and then we'll see how that works. Okay. All right, I got the first one in, and it took a few minutes just because it's kind of hard to really align it when it comes to putting the belt in place of the big wheel there in the back. And so there's really no big trick except for the fact that you could either tilt the whole player and let gravity again help you, or I ended up using my other needle nose tool in order to get that in. So the next one is the one here, and I'll again do that with this tool, or possibly the one with the angle. This one self-locks, so what happens is when you pick it up, it's in a certain angle, because these are square square belts. Okay, so these are square belts, these are not round belts. There are round belts too that'll work. They usually use the square belts, that's the original one there. That's a square belt, and there's a square belt. So I'll go ahead and put this in, and then show you the result. All right, here's the tail end of this. See if I could get it on camera. Kind of wrap it around. There you go. And that's pretty much it. So we can plug this in and see what the results are. So let me plug it in, and let's see, hold on. All right, I can turn it on. There it is. That's the back motor over there. And there's that pulley for the actual laser mechanism. So it's going to go ahead and check all the discs. So let's just eject the, let's open this up. There it is. And let me get a disc. All right, got a disc here. Close it. All right, notice that it's a DVD and it's playing. So that's it. Really needed to change those two belts in the back. One is for the carousel and one is for the mechanism for the DVD. All right, so now that that's working, I can close this back up and start using it to play some disc. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider joining the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.